If you find yourself facing an account review on Lyft, it's important to understand the process and how to navigate it effectively. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the review. Step 1. Understand the reason for review. Familiarize yourself with the common reasons why accounts are reviewed. This may include safety concerns, customer complaints, or discrepancies in information. Knowing the reason can help you prepare your response. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect any necessary documents or information that may support your case. This could include your driving records, communication with customers, or any other relevant data that can clarify your situation. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. Reach out to Lyft's support team through the app or their website. Clearly explain your situation and provide any gathered information. Be polite and concise in your communication to facilitate a smoother process. Step 4. Monitor your email and app notifications. Keep an eye on your email and app notifications for updates from Lyft. They may request additional information or provide you with the outcome of the review. Respond promptly to any requests to avoid delays. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe, don't hesitate to follow up with Lyft support. A gentle reminder can help ensure your case is being processed and shows your commitment to resolving the issue. In conclusion, handling an account review on Lyft requires understanding the process, gathering information, and maintaining communication with support. By following these steps, you can navigate the review more effectively.